Welcome back, guys. Today we're doing the exhaust like I stated in the previous video. So thank you for watching our current videos. So now we're going to do some unboxing and putting the exhaust on. So let's get to work. So in this box, guys, we have the headers. We have the headers here. We also have some gaskets and a few bolts. I don't think we're going to use those bolts, but here's what it is. This box here, we have the back end, the muffler section. And we also have the mid section here. We have a few gaskets and also some more bolts. And that's it. Alright guys, let's get to it. Okay guys, so now we gotta get all this stuff here off, guys, so we can put our new exhaust on. So let me get some tools and then we're gonna start on that. Okay guys, now I have some tools. I'm going to go ahead and loosen up some bolts here just so we can get this intake off. And I'm going to go ahead and take this hose here off. Lean this back a little bit just so we can get what we need to do. So it's going to be there. Okay, so now we have a free view of the headers, and now we can go ahead and start taking the headers off. Extension, guys, and I'll be right back. Alright, we got a shorter extension, so let's get to it. Leave that one for right now. Move on to the next couple. Ones that are easier to get to from a different angle. A lot of these bolts aren't as tight because I was doing some previous work on the exhaust. So got this one last tight one that's under here. Now we need a wrench, guys, to get out our O2 sensors. So, and then once we get the O2 sensors out, then the header should be able to come out easily. All right, now it's time to take out these old headers that I was trying to put in before. It's one section. There's another section, guys. All right, now our headers is out. Now it's time to put in the new ones. All right, guys, let's put the headers on. Let's try them on, see how it fits. I think I see a little problem here, guys. So let's see. This way. So it seemed like the headers need to be, well, this bank needs to be moved down that way just a little bit. So it seems like we might have to modify it a little bit, but shouldn't be too much. But it doesn't seem too bad. Seems like it could work. So yeah, we're gonna have to do some modifications on this for sure. And yeah, let's get to it. Alright, so now we're gonna have to modify the exhaust. Alright, I'm gonna have to make a cut right here so I can shorten it a little bit so this could fit properly, because it needs to be spaced out properly right here. So that's what we're gonna do right now. Now that we have to make another cut, I'm going to try it again. So I'm going to see if it fits. Right, so you got it to fit. Still need a little bit more finessing, but it's not all the way on right now. Still need a little bit more work, but it's on there. Alright guys, so we finally got the headers to fit properly. It's on there. They're not bolted on yet though, but it's on there for right now. The rest of the exhaust is put together. It's not as loosely on right now. Nothing is tightened so far, but as you can see, it's on there. Still got a few things I need to do. Got to put some hangers on there to keep it steady. As you can see, it's there. It's on. So yeah. So guys, I think that's gonna be it for this video, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.